Then I opened up a brewery, and I found the value and character of water. And it's funny, we have a saying at Yards, brew unto others. I mean, we kind of did that today with giving away beer, but it's more than that to us. It's more than that what it means to me. It's kind of like being an example, being an example of a good company, being a good environmental steward, being a good business person that does things the right way. We're 100% wind power. We are building a brand new brewery that we invested a lot into different things that are going to actually, help us do process better, but it's also going to save in the amount of water that we use. So I guess a lot of these new brewers that are popping up everywhere always ask, well, what kind of hops do you use? What kind of grain are you using? They never ask anything about the most important ingredient, which is water. 90% of this is water, and we get so much character from the water here in Philadelphia because it is hard water, it's perfect for brewing ales, and it really works into a great choice to make sure we stayed here, and also the fact that we got lucky when we chose this place to have great water. And this is cheers to water, and I guess I need to open this and cheers because I'm getting thirsty.
That must have been rehearsed.